Hey guys, I'm Dennis from Wayne Lawn Garden Center. We are a family business. We've been around since 1948. Much like us, Orec has been around since 1948. Orec is not a single season company. They have products that'll accomplish all the goals and all the needs in all the seasons. They have a transporter that you can use to transport mulch. You can transport topsoil, salt during the winter, so it's an all-season machine. So another product that they have is a really neat machine. It's a brush rover. It's a 2-wheel, 4-wheel machine. Use it for brush cutting and cutting down saplings, and you can do slopes. The snow rhino for us has been a really successful thing for us. That one guy on a snow rhino could replace 3 men on a snowblower. They have flail mowers that help cut down really thick stuff. They have tillers for during the early spring or the late fall. The Snow Bowl is a walk-behind snowplow. It does a great job with very packed snow because it's going to really get underneath and really pick it up. They're able to accomplish great things, and that's what we want to do, and that's what we are doing. And you have people that care about your product and care about you as a person, as a business. That's why I sell good quality equipment, because we're all on the same page, we're on the same team, and they believe in it.